Today we are playing Catapult versus Mario. Basically, all we have to do here is hit Mario and destroy him. Or if I somehow unluckily miss him, then I could hit one of the massive letters that are surrounding him. So I hope that's what happens. And first thing we have is flying mini bomb that exploded one of the grenades on top of letter A. Okay, rock number 2. Whoa, right into Mario's hat. Damn, okay. Now we have a little pink car. And, ooh, right into Mario again. I'm sorry, Mario. You're my favorite character. Come on. Make sure to like and subscribe, by the way, guys. Come on. Oh, right into his fist. Oh, his little white, cute little gloves. Oh, I'm sorry, Mario. Come on. Oh, look at that. His hand is just not there anymore, man. Okay, another car. Here we go. And come on, please do something. Oh, I hit the other car that was inside of him. And it blew my car away and then it just exploded. Okay. Come on. And what? So, okay. So it just flung up and didn't really fly anywhere, unfortunately. Oh, right, it's a grenade on letter C. Minor damages, but it's not that much. Okay, next one. Ooh, it's a grenade this time. Come on, what are we gonna explode? Oh, Mario! Damn, twice? Ooh, that was a good one. Come on. Ooh, inside of Mario's head. Empty head, because he has no brains. Ooh, we had a human. No! Oh, look at him go! Oh, the bone crunch. Oh, is that a bin? Okay, I guess we're flying a bin and it just shattered. We didn't even hit him at all. Come on, next one. What is that? And it did kind of some damage, so I'm not mad about that. Is that a basket? Damn, and we have a container. A big container. Oh, right into his head again. Oh, that did something. Not much, but something. And, it's exploding down. Oh, those pieces. God damn, they're just shattering there. Okay, another container. And, come on. Oh, right through him. Oh, do you look at that? He no longer has a face at all. You cannot see. Oh, an explosion too. Damn, that's so satisfying, man. Come on. Ooh, a car, let's go. Oh, in his stomach. Oh, look at that. We're destroying Mario. Oh, again. Look at his hat just fell down. Whoa. Make sure to like and subscribe, by the way, guys. Come on. What did I hit? What? Is that a boat? What is that? Oh. Okay, well, I guess Mario's no more. Come on, let us see. Oh, we're on top of it, but we did do some damage. Look at that. A hole in the letter C. Come on. And. Oh, into the eyeball, man. Oh, that must have hurt. That must have hurt a lot. Ooh, come on. Again, into, the forehead of the letter C? I'm not sure what it is. It's a letter, not a human. And back to Mario. Oh, look at that. There's pieces falling off everywhere. He's shattering. Come on, what's next? Oh, look at that. Oh, that kinda didn't do anything. Come on. Woo! I guess